Good evening, everyone. Welcome to this episode of Market Pulse. I am Ajit Mahuli, the founder and mentor at LPAT. Let's take a look at what the indices have been doing and are likely to do. Let's begin with Nifty on the monthly chart, trending up strong. This fall, which we had beginning of August, was also bought into and we closed higher. We are trending very strongly up on the monthly chart. And the next demand zone for us is still going to be at this 22,096. That's 22,100 approximately. That's a monthly demand zone. There is no supply zone on the monthly chart. On the weekly, that's the area of demand zone which has been pierced, and but market managed to give a new high. So this demand zone will still hold good as of now. The next area of demand zone will be at this area on the weekly chart. No supply zone again on the weekly chart. There are no supply zones on the Nifty index since it's an all-time high. This week we opened and remained in a very narrow range. Let's take a look at the daily chart. And in the daily chart, what you see here is a very, very compressive kind of move to the upside. Though we have some demand zones which could act as uh, areas where prices can halt, or if the trend has to maintain, these demand zones need to be held. If these get broken, then the next area of demand zone would be somewhere close here. So that's number one, and that's number two demand zone, which would be crucial for a Nifty to breach. If it breaches this, then we could see a retest of these 24,000 levels. And once these are breached, then probably next areas will be somewhere close to 23,500. But that's quite far now. So the current area for based on the daily chart is somewhere close to 25,100 to 25,350 to 400 would be the range for tomorrow, I would say. And if it remains in this range, it might as well remain like that for the week. Once we breach 24,950, that could be a sign of weakness. And if there is a new supply created, wait for pullbacks there. But these are all novice gaps here, if you see, and selling pressure coming in. A very compressive move. Long should be avoided. Wait for confirmations to take shots in the index. You can trade intraday if you want to, but the range is pretty narrow as such. So on a 75-minute chart, that's the area of demand zone on the 75-minute chart, which is right now holding, and that's the supply zone picture which has got created. So this is going to be your range for intraday for tomorrow. Let's say from 29,350 to I would say for now we'll probably look at this as the first step for prices to breach and give some early confirmation. So that's 25,200. So those are the ranges that you would need to see from here. If it breaks this and closes, then we would expect it to come towards 25,000. So very, very overextended. Loss of momentum is clearly being seen. So stay cautious. Don't be overly bullish. Markets can turn any time, and wait for pullbacks to go long and wait for supply zones to to form to take a short position. A quick look at Bank Nifty. Now, this is pretty much weaker as compared to Nifty. We still have not gone beyond this previous high. Nifty has already gone beyond this previous high. The weekly demand zone is here. Sorry, the monthly demand zone at around 48,000. In the month of July, we gave a new high. After that, we failed. We still haven't gone beyond August high this month, still one day. So it needs to be seen how this behaves, because if Bank Nifty decides to move up, we will see new highs again coming up in Nifty, like 23, 24,500, 25,500, 25,700, then 26,000 also is possible if Bank Nifty makes a move. On the weekly chart, that's the picture of supply that we have in Bank Nifty. That's a demand zone from where prices are moving up. So that's going to be the range. So yes, there is a potential for it to go till 5200, but since it's weaker, there is also a potential that if overall market turns bearish, this will start falling quickly. So that's going to be your range for the weekly. On the daily chart, we are again seeing here very, very compressive move. So if there is a great possibility of a one candle fall all the way till 50,800, that's quite possible. Or it may even move further towards this area of demand zone, which is right now holding. That's the demand area. So this is the area of supply where I would say Bank Nifty is currently holding up. So this is going to be your range on the daily chart. The next supply probably starts at around 50 to 800. So can Bank Nifty go here? Yes, it can possibly go. If it comes down and it fails to break this, then probably it could even range and make an attempt to go here. So be cautious about it. Confirmation shots, slow momentum, there's lack of momentum and a compressive move. So good chances of a fall uh, in Bank Nifty. And that's your supply zone, which right now is hit on Bank Nifty on the 75-minute chart. And as of now, this is still going to be your area of demand zone. So once this breaches, the next area would be straight here. I don't think this is the area, or even maybe this could be the next target too. If this holds, then we could again range between these, or then it might come back all the way here till 49,900. But that's the final target for prices to come there. So a little bit bearish bias, but wait for confirmations to go short. Intraday longs okay. Don't chase the prices. Prices are very overextended and have gone up too far too soon. So wait for pullbacks to get into longs. And lastly, a quick look at India VIX. This is slowly moving up. So keep an eye, be cautious. If Nifty falls, this is going to probably hit again 16, 17 areas, and then even can go to 22 areas. Hope that helps.